Hello guys, so welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to start a new series on my channel. So today I'm going to talk about a topic that is like almost every Minecrafter thinks of that, and that is which is the best Minecraft player. If we think about it, there are two competitors, and they two are Technoblade or Dream. So before getting into that topic, I want to first of all say thank you to Technoblade for letting me use some of his footages of his videos, and I want to also say that this video has taken me a long time to make, and I would appreciate if you press the subscribe button because it's free and you can you can never change your mind ever. And I want to also say a thing that is, if you have watched Mr. V's PvP video between Dream and Technoblade, you would definitely say that Technoblade is better. But wait, because that only one skills of all. So today I am going to tell you which of these two players are better. So yeah, I'm going to use a point system in this, and there are going to be 5 scales, and I'm going to rate them in each scale out of 3. So yeah, first I would tell you which are the 5 scales. One of them is clutches, second is PvP, second is games, third is IQ, and fourth is speed run. This is going to be pretty interesting, so let's just get into it. So the result of Technoblade and Dream, the answer is going to be Dream is better. Yes. So let's get into the points. So if we go to in clutches, Technoblade deserves 2 points as he has done some clutches, but not that like Dream always gets does clutches, and he's literally the mastermind of clutch. So Dream deserves 3 and Technoblade deserves 2. In PvP, Technoblade deserves 3 points. Yes, you heard that right. Because he's just really great at PvP. And now if we talk about Dream, Dream deserves 2 points as he was defeated by Technoblade in the PvP battle. I know that he has defeated like 100 players other, but still he deserves 2 points. And next is games. By games I mean like championship games or other things that happened. I would definitely give Technoblade 3 marks. Just see this Bed Wars, Sky Wars, she just great at all of these things. And I would also I will also give Dream 3 marks, because if you know that he has like participated in Minecraft Championship and other things, and he was just so good at them, so he definitely deserves 3 marks. And now is the fourth skill, that's going to be IQ. So by IQ I mean how they use their stuff in the game, and so yeah, you basically understand it. So here I would give Technoblade 3 marks. So wait a minute, I will tell you the reason right now, and that is going to be, if you have watched a Mr. Beast video, that is going to be pretty easy for you. That he, by using some maths by like using maths or and I don't know, but he was able to kill a Dream using, like, he was one block higher than him, and Technoblade was able to get an advantage because of his brain. So he's pretty smart. And if we talk about Dream also deserves 3 marks. You could just see that he is like pretty good. He always outsmarts his friends, and he's one of the smartest Minecrafters in the entire world, and that's really good. And next is this speed run. This decides everything. So yeah, in speedrun, I would give Dream 3 marks. So the reason of this, you all know that he has the third highest world record for the speedrun in 1.14 or 1.15 around that, and he's pretty great at that, and he definitely deserves 3 marks. And next is Technoblade. Technoblade deserves 2 marks. So the reason of this, I would say that Technoblade has not uploaded a video related to speedrun in his YouTube channel ever. I searched it, I was searching it on Google and his YouTube channel, but it didn't show me any results. So, but you would say, then why did he deserve 2 marks? So the reason of this is pretty easy. He has beaten Minecraft using a steering wheel, and that, I would count it as a speedrun. He defeated in 8 hours, and he is a very skillful. So I give him 2 marks in this. So here is my result. Technoblade is having 13 points and Dream is having 14 points. Yes, you heard that right. here we can directly see that but Dream is much better. It is better than Technoblade, I would say. Technoblade was just like one point behind Dream, but yeah, as we know that Dream is a like pretty smart person. If you go on YouTube and like go on Google and search their Dream clutches, you will just see like hundred or thousands of videos showing the same topic, Dream clutches, Dream using his IQ and Dream 900 IQ and other stuff like that. And I would definitely say that Dream is a god of Minecraft. You can just see he's one of the fastest YouTubers going on the platform right now. And I would just say that I'm not going to share the link of his channel, but you can just go on YouTube and search Dream, and you will just find hundred videos of his. And you will just, if you watch one of his hunters, what do you say, one speedrunner versus 5 hunters, you will just know why I'm saying that Dream is much better than Technoblade. But yeah, I would say that Technoblade is also pretty great. He is king of PvP. He is the champion of Bed Wars and Sky Wars. And I would say that there's no doubt that the two of these players are just crazy good at the game. And so yeah, and I would say that I think that Dream is better, but there's some other things that you can see that Technoblade is better at. And so yeah guys, I think that's going to wait for the video. Hope you liked it. I know that this video is kind of like only 6 minutes long, but yeah. And I'm also thinking to do a collab with a YouTuber. So if you want me to do it, then tell me in the comment section. And I would say again, please make sure to just to tap that subscribe and like my video. So I would say goodbye and have a good day.